Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reshape, stretch your body on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click New Project. Add the video that you want to edit. This one, click Add at the bottom. Now, I wanna reshape, stretch a body on this video, so just click on the video and then at the menu you can swipe until you can see and change. This one, click on it and click on reshape. This one. In here you can click on the stretch and you can swipe left or right to adjust the stretch, to reshape the stretch like this. You can adjust the stretch like this, and after this you can click check icon at the bottom. And finish. So that how to reshape, stretch your body on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.